Good morning, all of you. Now, let us start the next chapter, that is minerals in India. The total minerals we have is coal, petroleum, iron ore, manganese, and bauxite. Only the two topics you have to study in this chapter, that is, the uses and distribution. All this mineral, where they are uses, whatever the different uses of this mineral, and secondly, where they are found, the distribution. Most of the minerals in the India they found in the Chota Nagpur plateau, mainly in the Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand region and West Bengal. Most of the minerals are concentrated in this region, and you also learn some of the mines of this region like Jharia, Raniganj, Singhbhumi. All these regions are the region where almost all the minerals are found. So you have to study which state and the two mining area of that state. That is only the things comes from this chapter. Now let us start the first topic, that is iron ore. You know, the iron ore is a very important mineral for any industry. If you see a small industry or the big industry, any industry, iron is very important for that industry because small machines, very small machines, if you take example, that is also manufactured with the help of iron only. Or though you know the steel and all the things, they all are the basic raw material for all these are the iron only. So the iron is very important for the any industry. India is the largest producer and exporter of iron ore in the South Asia. The most of the iron ore comes from the India, from the Bihar, Orissa, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and the Goa. They are the major states from the India where they are found. First of all, we see the four variety of iron ore which is found in the India. The four variety is a magnetite, hematite, lemotite, and ceritite. This four variety is a iron amount of iron content, present of iron content in the iron. According to that, they are the categorized. Like the first one is a magnetite, it having the iron content of a 72%. The first quality or the best quality of iron is known as a magnetite. 72% of iron ore is present in this magnetite. The magnetite gets its name because it acts nicely with the magnet, so the name is given. High amount of iron was there, so it well responds to magnet, so the name is given as a magnetite. The second type of iron is a hematite. It contains 60 to 70% of a pure iron. And after that, lemonite, it contains 40 to 60% of a iron. And then ceritite, it contains 40 to 50% of a pure iron, and rest of the things are impurities present in the iron. According to the iron content, the four variety of iron is there: hematite, magnetite, hematite, lemotite, and ceritite. Now, the major producer of this iron ore in the India, we will see the Karnataka. Karnataka is the largest producer of iron ore in the India. It produces 76% of a total iron in the India. The main reason of a Karnataka is the Babu Badan Hills. It is Kedarmukh deposit, Sundargarh range. These are the three places in which the large amount of iron ore is obtained. The second important state is Orissa. The 25% of iron ore is mined from this region. And after that, the third state is Chhattisgarh. In the Orissa, the main region is Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj, Cuttack, Keonjhar, and Korapur district. In the Orissa, the iron was mined. After that, the Chhattisgarh, 19% of iron is produced from the Chhattisgarh. In the Chhattisgarh, main region of the Chhattisgarh is the Dali, Rajhara, and the Durg district. Most of this iron of the Chhattisgarh is exported through Vishakhapatnam to many places of the world. After that, the Goa, the next region is Goa. It is the fourth largest producer of iron ore. It produces about 17% of our total production in the India. After that, the Jharkhand. After that, the next region is Jharkhand. Jharkhand is also the major producer of iron ore. The main region is Singhbhumi in this region, Durgapur, Bokaro, Raurkela, is the region where the iron is produced in the Jharkhand. Other producer of iron ore is also there. The Andhra Pradesh also is there. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra is also some of the region where the iron ore is produced. Now if you see the major producer of iron ore, if you see in the map, the most region of the iron ore is concentrated in this Chota Nagpur region. Most of the iron is found in this Chota Nagpur plateau region, and you see most of the minerals in the India, they are concentrated in this region. Not only the iron, the bauxite, the limestone, most of the minerals are concentrated in this region. So you see most of the minerals are found. If you see the most of the state-wise, if you see the Karnataka 26%, Odisha is second 25%, then Chhattisgarh 19%, then the Goa 17%, Jharkhand 12%, and the 1% is the other state. So this is the iron ore production. Next topic, coal, we'll see in the next session.